Welcome student. Now today we are doing practical problems on sets when three finite sets are given to us. We do the practical problems in the last lecture when two finite sets are given to us. But today now we do the result 3 when three finite set A, B and C are given to us. Then result is number of elements in A union B union C is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C minus N A intersection B minus B intersection C minus number of elements in A intersection C plus number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. Means if we want to find out the union of three finite set, number of elements of union of three finite set, then formula is number of elements in one set A, B, C minus taking two of them intersection of two of them. First with A and B, then B and C, and then A and C. As we done in the sets for 2, there also we subtract the intersection, but here 3 sets are taken, so we subtract 2 taken at a time. Then we add the number of elements A intersection B intersection C means 3 taken at a time and their intersection is added. Clear? So first we take 1 set, number of elements of 1 set added, then subtract intersection of 2 and then plus intersection of all the 3. So with the help of this formula, now we do some question. Example of your miscellaneous exercise is a college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball and 20 in cricket. If these medals went to a total of 58 men and only 3 got medals in all 3 sports. Now the question is how many received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports. Clear? So here we assume number of men who receive medals in football as F, basketball as B and cricket as C. Football by their first name, football by F, basketball by B and cricket by C. Now 38 medals in football means number of elements in F is equal to 38, 15 in basketball, so number of elements in B is equal to 15, 20 in cricket, so number of elements in set C is equal to 20. If these medals went to a total of 58 men, total 58 men get these medals. So number of elements in F union B union C, because in the Venn diagram if we see F union B union C means in these 3 events, in these 3 sports men gets medal, so their union is 58 and only 3 got medals in all the 3 sports. All the 3 sports means their intersection. F intersection B intersection C is 3. This information is given to us. Now the question is we have to find out how many received medals exactly in 2 of these 3 sports. So it means we have to find out F intersection B but not C. Means this shaded portion. B intersection C but not F. So this shaded portion. F intersection C but not B, so this shaded portion. So sum of these three shaded portion we have to find out. So for this, we first find out the number of elements in the intersection of the two. Clear? So for this, we apply this formula. The result 3 which we had studied now, we apply this formula. So number of F union B union C. First we take one set at a time. NF plus NB plus NC minus intersection of 2 at a time. So N F intersection B minus N B intersection C minus N F intersection C. Then plus N intersection of all these three. Put up the values. Union is 58, NF 38, NB 15, and C is equal to 20. These three intersection we have to find out, and NF intersection B intersection C is given to us. Its value is 3. So we put up the value and simplify it. We get N F intersection B plus B intersection C plus F intersection C. Sum of intersection of all these three is equal to 80. So now come to the Venn diagram. We see F intersection B means this portion. Here F intersection B plus common to 3. This portion also included. B intersection C means this B intersection C plus common to 3. And F intersection C included this outer portion plus this common portion. Means this required shaded portion plus 3 common to all these three. So when we observe these two Venn diagram, we observe that in F intersection B, this common portion is also included. In B intersection C, this common portion is also included. And in F intersection C, this common portion is also included. Common portion means that is not shaded in the above. This portion is common to all. You see in all these three circles, it is common to F, B and C. Common to all these three. But we want only this shaded portion. So from these intersection, from these three, sum of these three intersection, we have to subtract the common portion 3 times. Why 3 times? Because this common portion is included in F intersection B, B intersection C and F intersection C. It is included in all these three. If you see in the shaded, मैंने इसको state किया, इसको use slant, then you see this common portion is common to all these three. It means this common portion is added 3 times, but we did not need it in this question. In this Venn diagram, this common portion we did not need because we need only exact number of people who get awarded exactly 2. So not in 3. So the people who get awards in 3 medal, all the 3 medal, we have to subtract it 3 times because it is added in all the 3 intersections. So we subtract it 3 times. It is clear. I hope it is clear to all of you. So 18 minus this value we had find out. Its value is 18. 18 minus 3 and this intersection is given to us. Its value is 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. So only 9 people got medal in exactly 2 of 3 sports. I hope this solution is clear to you. If it is not clear to you, I request you to listen it once again. Before going to the next question, you will rewind it and understand this question completely. Then go to the next question. Now, next question, that is the question number 15 of miscellaneous exercise 1. We first do the word problem. We do the remaining question also. Don't bother कि 1 to 14 हमने नहीं करने. We do them also. But first we are doing the word problem. So related to that, this topic, we do first this question. So question number 15. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 read newspaper H, 26 read newspaper T, 26 read newspaper I, 9 read both H and I, 11 both H and T, 8 read both T and I, and 3 read all 3 newspaper. Here H and I means H intersection I. Okay? So the question is, find the number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. First part is this. So in a survey 60 people. So number of element in universal set is equal to 60 and H is equal to 25 and T is equal to 26 and I is equal to 26 and H intersection I is equal to 9, H intersection T is equal to 11, T intersection I is equal to 8 and H intersection T intersection I is equal to 3. This information is given to us. Now we have to find out the number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. So when we start the word problem, I told you at least means we have to find out its union. H union T union I. So apply the formula. And H union T union I means first we take number of elements in one set, NH plus NT plus NI minus, then we take in 2 at a time with intersection, H intersection T, T intersection I and H intersection I. Subtract these 3 plus and H intersection T intersection I. All these values are given to us. We put up these value and we get the answer is 52. There is no use of universal set here. This value is given to you only for to confuse you. There is no use of the universal set in this question. Now second part is the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Exactly one newspaper means, come to the Venn diagram, we have to find out this shaded portion. Only H, only T and only I. So from the Venn diagram, you can find out that this shaded portion is equal to H union T union I. From this intersection, from this union, we have to subtract the intersection, H intersection T, T intersection I and H intersection I. Now when we subtract this intersection, we get as in the last question, we subtract this common portion 3 times because this portion is included in H intersection T, T intersection I and H intersection I. but we have to subtract it only once. So we added it